transfer money between two different banks. So if you want to transfer money between two different banks, it primarily depends upon the banking app itself. So here I could just go ahead and then launch my banking app over here, right? So I can go ahead and then log into my banking application. Once I'm logged into my banking app, if I want to send money, what I can do is I can just tap on this QR code icon to scan a QR code of the merchant, even if it is an external bank's QR code, not another international QR code, but the same country's another bank QR code. And depending upon the country that you're from, these procedures could be different. Or you can simply select send money option manually from here, and when you select the send money option manually, you can simply enter the bank account details of the other person, like other bank, and you can have the mobile number, the receiver's bank, amount, remarks, and tap the continue button to confirm the changes. And that way you will be able to transfer money between two different banking apps. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.